Hey guys, it's Crazy Comic Lady here, and I'm really excited to share this unboxing with you today. This is from a UK-based diamond painting company called The One with the Diamond Art, and all of their art is legally licensed, and I'm so excited to share this, this kit with you. It didn't actually come in a box, because there's actually a story behind this kit. So with new companies, I tend to add a lot of stuff to my cart and then don't check out for like a month or 2 months or not at all. So I'd done that with this piece, and then I'd finally, after seeing it on their Facebook group completed, I decided I definitely want to get this piece. And of course I went to check out and went, it's no longer in my cart. Went to my wish list, it's no longer in my wish list. So I sent them a message saying, you know, is this kit going to get restocked? And they said sadly no, because it was a limited edition. And I was very sad. I was way too sad over a diamond painting, really. But I asked them, is there any chance that you've got one perhaps laying around in the back of a cupboard somewhere, just any kit of this artwork left? And they said, well, go and have a look. And I really didn't think that they were going to come back to me. And then a few hours later, they said, good news, we found one. We have one kit left. So I'm very lucky to have this kit and to share it with you today. So let's get into showing it to you, because it is gorgeous and it's foxes. If you know me, then you know I absolutely adore foxes, and there we go. It doesn't quite fit on my desk, but I mean, how freaking cute. I did say freaking cute. How freaking cute are these foxes? They're so cute. I did ask them if it would be a square kit or a round kit. They actually told me it was going to be a square kit with ABs, and it's actually a round kit, as I found when I quickly looked at the diamonds earlier. So excited to share this with you. It is by the artist Christina Forrest, and this is a 50 by 60 kit in round with ABs. So I will give you a close-up of the kit at the end. Just having a look through the symbols. There are two that kind of look similar to each other. I can just find them. So one sort of looks like an upside down Y, and then you've got a regular Y as well, but I'll show you that on a close-up in a minute. Let's get into the drills and see if we can find what the ABs look like. Sorry if you don't like the crinkle noises. You can just mute me for a second and come back when you see me getting into the packaging. Or you might like crinkle noises. I really like listening to people opening crinkly wrappers. So anyway, so we're getting in. I'm never going to be able to get these back in the cellophane at all. So we've got an inventory sheet. So, oh, it's got a little doodle of like a little lion-y thing on it. That's cute. It looks like a stamp or something. So it has got, wow, 50 colours. See if I can show you on here the two Ys that I noticed that look similar, if my camera will focus. Right, so we've got that Y there. And then down here we've got like an upside down yellow Y there. But it shouldn't be too difficult. Depending on which way up you're working on it. I usually have to work on these sort of sideways to sort of fit on my desk. But they're such different colours that they shouldn't be too difficult to tell apart. So this kit has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. So right off the bat, I can see a beautiful blue shiny AB right here. Look at that. Look at that. Beautifully blue. Got another one over here. Oh wow, that's an even prettier blue. Look at that. Camera focus, please. There we go. Look at the shine on those ones. They're pretty. Right, I see. Oh, I see some very pale yellowy sort of ABs. Pretty. Oh, I see a yellow AB. This is convenient that the ABs are all kind of together. That's a yellowy AB. And I'm sure I saw a green one before I unwrapped. I'm trying not to mess up the packaging because I'm going to want to put them back in until I'm ready to work with it. But I love that they all come pre-bagged, because for me that's a huge thing, because I hate having to kit stuff up into bags. I find it so time consuming and annoying. So let me just try and find, because we're still missing one AB somewhere. And we've got it, the final AB, this super green, pale green. It's very, very pretty. So we will go and find where these go on the canvas in a second. So rest of the drills, say goodbye. Look at all those colours, so many greens and natural tones going on in there. Very pretty. I'm going to put that to the side. Now we're going to, now we're going to find out where these ABs go. So we are looking for a weird T symbol, the upside down Y, possibly a minus E sign, an F and a T. So one thing I'm noticing straight away with these is that it's quite difficult to actually see. It's not quite as clear as like Diamond Art Club. Diamond Art Club's like a symbol clarity, but also the canvas, it feels really soft. I'd say it's on par with Diamond Art Club's kind of canvas softness going on. So I'm going to quickly grab you and take you on a journey around the canvas. So welcome to handheld shaky mode. So we're going to have a quick look at the canvas. You can try and see the quality. So it does seem a lot more sort of busy and hectic than the Diamond Art Club canvases. But I mean, I've seen this completed in a square kit and it looks fantastic. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this comes out as a round. So I have noticed that there's a couple of the pale ABs are going down here in this patch. I also saw one of the yellows, I think it was that one, kind of, they're just dotted in very sporadically. Like there's a AB there, a yellow AB, there's another yellow AB up there. Down here we have one green squiggle AB, just a lone single AB right there. So it'll be interesting to see how this looks when the ABs are on, since there's another green squiggle AB there. Oh, and there's quite a few up here in the trees. Got some ABs up there. And over here we have more ABs here. We have this kind of paley, yellowy cream one over here in the fox's fur and in its ears. So yeah, so first impressions, I'm really looking forward to doing this kit. I was so excited that I managed to get it, and it was the very last one that they had. The ladies there who run this shop, the one with the diamond art, they are lovely. I was mostly communicating with one of the ladies, Megan, who runs the shop. Their customer service is just absolutely fantastic. Seriously, like the best experience with a diamond painting customer service company I've ever had. So they were fantastic. There was a bit of a delay in the shipping of this kit due to a family member unfortunately passing away. So I did have to wait 4 weeks before I got it. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. I was just trying to give you like close-ups of the foxies, because that one is biting his tail and he's like, let go, I'm trying to drink the water. So anyway, I'm so excited to do this kit. I'm definitely going to try and get to it this month because I love foxes and I waited 4 weeks for this kit and I'm so excited, and it's going to be so fun to see how the ABs work out in this kit. So there we go. Oh, I forgot, I didn't show you the toolkit. So let me just put you back up on your stand. So I just quickly wanted to show you some close-up photos of the drill field so you can actually see how clear it is as opposed to the shaky handheld edition I just gave you. So it is quite a confetti heavy piece. So that means there's an awful lot of colour changes in a very small area, but it's very clear and you can see everything really well. There were 2 colours that stood out to me as possibly having issues, which would be the T and the sideways M. They look quite close close to each other from a distance, and also the S and the 5 as well. Something you needed to just keep an eye on so that you don't accidentally mix up the two symbols. Anyway, back to our usual broadcast. Okay, so let's get into the toolkit. It came in this very pretty little pink bag, and it comes with, let's open you up, if I can go, there we go. Open you up, we have a standard white tray, which this actually seems deeper than the usual plastic white trays. Let me just compare. Oh yeah, and it's bigger. So this is the kind of ones that you get in like the cheap Amazon kits, and this is what you get from the one with the diamond art. So it's definitely, it's bigger, and it's definitely, is it deeper? Yeah, I think it's deeper as well, slightly. But yeah, so that's really nice. Nice little tray. I always stick leftover wax in the bottom of my trays like this, just so that the diamonds don't fall out. I typically tend to have a tray for every single one of my diamonds that I have going. So for example, in a different kit that I'm going on at the moment, I have every diamond gets their own individual tray. So I love trays. I love trays. A lot of people don't like toolkits, but I'm a big fan of toolkits and trays and collecting trays. So we get this very cute little washi tape. I think that's cupcakes. Oops. There we go. Got some little cupcakes. Very cute. I'm not entirely sure it will match the kit, but I tend to just use the washi tape for sectioning off parts of my canvas anyway. So you also get your standard diamond painting pen and a squishy to make it easier to hold. Goop. And oh, we get a selection of 3 multi-placers. These are the slightly fatter multi-placers. Diamond Art Club do skinnier ones that I typically tend to prefer, but there's some nice multi-placers. Some very nice tweezers with a little protection thingy on it. Oh yeah, quite sharp and pointy. I typically don't tend to use the tweezers much for anything. Usually it's just square kits that come with tweezers, but this is a round kit and it also came with some tweezers and some wax in this nice little pot. So, nice pink wax. Oh, you get three little pink waxes in this nice little pot. I tend to end up using these little pots as trash drill storage when I'm working on a kit. So anyway, that is my unboxing from the one with the diamond art, and I'm so excited to work on this. I want to work on it right now. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please check the video description below, and I'll put a link to the shop, the one with the diamond art, if you want to go check out their canvases and everything, because they are quite reasonably priced and they're UK based. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, can you give it a thumbs up on your way out? And thank you all for watching. Bye!